Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. Another video on Ctrm, which is for Castor Maritime. So I made some previous videos, and from the chart I can see that I drew some red lines for resistance and also two green lines for support and also some rectangle boxes. And today you can see that we dropped a lot from this particular support. Still we have a support. So in this particular video I want to talk what happened, why there is a drop here, and why you could be surprised on May 28th, which will be Friday. So you need to know about what's going to happen on May 28th. This is very important for you if you're holding CTRM or if you are planning to get inside this particular stock. And if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. So first of all, I will cover the technical analysis, support, resistance, but before that it is very important to know what happened here, why there is a drop here, right? So the news came actually on May 21st, Friday, 5 p.m. after market. So the effect was seen today, Monday, the first day of this particular week, that Castor Maritime announced reverse stock split to be effective May 28th. A diversified blah 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 has determined to effect a 1-for-10 reverse stock split for the company's common share. So if you know what is reverse stock, then I do not need to explain, but maybe there is some new investors and you do not know what is 1-for-10. So let's say you have 10 share and the current price is 0.36. So it will be like you have a total $3.6, right? So if you have 10 stock on May 28, it will become 1 stock and the current price is 0.36, but the price of one share will become 3.6. So basically you are dividing by 10 and multiplying by 10. The total your investment is not going to change. It will be only seen as your numbers of share are decreased. Now they are 1/10 and the price of one share is 10 times. So nothing is changing. But the important thing is when a company does reverse stock split, this is not good for the company. When you say stock split, normally Tesla, Apple, they do it. That is the bullish thing. Whenever a stock split happens, at that time the price goes higher. But whenever a news comes about reverse stock split, that is not good, and it was reflected in today's price action because it dropped a lot. So why they do it? The thing is, like, when the share price is below $1 to be Nasdaq compliant, it has to be more than $1. So when it comes for 30 days below $1, they get a notice for delisting, that okay, if your share price does not come over $1, we will delist you from Nasdaq. So you people can't trade your shares on Nasdaq. So this is a very common strategy for this kind of penny stock, the reverse split. So 0.36 will become 3.6. You multiply by 10, so it will be 3.6. So they are above $1, so they are compliant. Then with time it can come down, it can go up, but whenever there is a news for reverse stock split, people do not take it as a good news, right? And you can see that it came below here. You look here, we were around 43, then we came around 36. Now one other thing I want to show here, if you go to their website and especially on the investor, so they have been buying a lot of new vessel here. So they are acquiring new vehicles here. You can see the new vessel acquisition here, another vessel acquisition. So many vessels they are acquiring, and this is a very good sign, but they definitely for a long-term perspective, not for today or now. The price is below 1, they are getting delisted and they have to reverse stock split. And how we can take the information in our favor. So last time when I talked, I think I drew the circle because they did share offering around 60 cent, I guess, because it was a resistance at that time and that was a good consolidation. So they did that, and after that the price came down and it was coming down, and then it tried to go up, then again it came down, and then I had this previous green line and the price was doing okay, going sideways, but after that the reverse stock split news, it came down. So what can happen? So that video I talked that I will buy some more share around this area. So I think I bought around 56 or 57 area. Then I was not checking because this is a long term, I'm just buying and holding it. But now I see from 56 this is around 36. So what I can do, most probably I will watch tomorrow. I might add more to average down. What if it comes down? maybe I will buy more around 30 area, because I see there is another support around 27-30 area, right? Maybe it's more appropriate around 30. You see 30 was acting as a resistance, as a support before. So if it comes below to 30, I will grab more. So from 56 it is 30, almost 50%. So my average will be down significantly, or if it goes up I will just hold. But anyway, whenever the news comes, the initial reaction for a reverse split is bad, but with some time, it takes some time to absorb, then the price can come up. At the same time, when the price is over $1, sometimes investors, they can come and buy more this particular share, so we might see some huge increase in price. So it can go either way, so better you can wait, or you can just start buying some or averaging down. If it comes down, buy more. If it goes up, just hold. The other thing I was holding previously, the same thing, the shipping industry, this is TOPS, tops. Again, they did a stock split, the same thing, 1 for 25. It was even larger ratio, but that one I was holding, and at one point, I think in February, you see, mid-February, it spiked, and whenever I got my break-even price, I got out. You can see it went up, then again it came down, and again currently it is 1.5. Remember, after multiplying with 25, then it became here. So this kind of penny stock, sometimes you do not know what's going to happen, especially if there is reverse split. Only thing is, if you think your average is high, the only thing I would say, buy at this price, make your average down, and then hold whenever it goes. Maybe it will hit 43 cents, and if this is your average, then get out. This is the only thing. But if you're long term, then do not worry, because if you look at the chart, it went all the way to close to $2, right? Then it was moving sideways for some time around $1, but it could not hold the $1. Then it came down drastically. So if you're long term, you can go up. I think at some places I found the price target is around 0.90 cent, so $1 may be the max, but I think this is a good opportunity for making averaging down and then get out of this stock if you do not want to hold. But if you're really bullish, just looking at the news, they are investing more and more, and they're acquiring more and more vehicles, so there is a long-term perspective. I would just say hold and average down, because the price is looking very attractive, just considering this. And again, it's a penny stock, comes with high risk, high reward, so I'm not suggesting anything, I'm just sharing my personal opinion. And if you want to buy or sell any stock, definitely do your own research before you do it. So anyway, my friends, do not want to make this video super long. If you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button, and do not forget to subscribe to this particular channel. Thank you again for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.